Today, I got 8 enclosed trailers I got to service up and do new bearings, new seals, new races, new grease, check all the systems, check all the lights, make sure all they're working. I got 4 trailers up in the air. I'm going to pack all the bearings for all 8 trailers here. I got races and bearings and stuff like that ready to go. First, packing bearings, grabbing hubs, tearing those down, servicing them up. But let's get to that. All bearings, races, and seals are set out. I need to pack them all. All bearings packed. And tearing down first trailer. One trailer's torn down. Second trailer's down, third trailer's coming off. And fourth trailer torn down. All seals are out. All races are coming out. Just come out. New race is going in. Pack the hubs of bearings. All hubs are packed. Let's put them on the trailer. Passenger side retainer on trailer 1 verified. Shackle links look good. U-bolts look good. Cool. Trailer 1, driver side, retainer verified. Trailer number 2, passenger side, cotter pin is verified. Trailer number 2, cotter pin is verified, driver side. Trailer number 3, passenger side, retainer verified. Trailer 3, passenger side, retainer verified. Trailer number 4, retainer, passenger side verified. Trailer number 4, retainer verified, driver side. And torque and lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. Marker lights are on. Driver's side is good. Passenger side is good. Rear markers are good. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. All markers work on trailer 1. Trailer number 2, marker lights are on. Passenger side is good. Rear is good. Left turn's on and working. Right turn's on and working. Markers on driver's side are good. Trailer number 3, markers passenger side are good. Rear lights are good. Left turn's on and working. Right turn's on and working. And driver's side, all lights are on. Trailer 4, marker lights are good. Passenger side. Rear is on and working. Markers. Left turn works. Right turn works, and markers on driver's side are good. It is working, cool. All driver's side lights work. All right, so the rundown on this. I got 4 done. I'm gonna reschedule for the other 4. Just running out of daylight, and I don't have enough time. I think that took me, I don't have enough time before they close to finish all the other ones. So I'll schedule it out, get it done another day. 4 done. New bearings, new seals, new races, new grease. Checked all the lights, checked all the running gear. Everything looks great. All lug nuts are torqued. This job's done. I'm on to the next.